including accessing the dark web safely. First, you need a secure browser. Use Tor browser to hide your identity and route your traffic through multiple layers. Next, choose a privacy-focused email provider. Some services don't require personal information and are designed for anonymity. Once you open the site, click on Sign Up. Now here's the important part. Never use your real name, phone number, or recovery email. Create a completely random username. Use a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. In some cases, you may be asked for verification. Avoid using your personal number. Use privacy-friendly methods instead. After creating the account, always access it through Tor for maximum anonymity. But remember, anonymous tools don't make illegal actions safe. Use this knowledge only for privacy, learning, and ethical purposes. Stay anonymous. Stay smart.